Good morning, students. Today's class 7 science and our topic processing silk. The cocoons are closely observed. Before the moth emerge, cocoons are put in a boiling water, leaving the cocoons intact. The boiled cocoons are sorted by size, color, and texture and are soaked in warm water to separate the silk fiber. The fiber of the single cocoon is too fine to handle, so up to 10 cocoons are wound together onto a reel by hand. The raw silk threads undergoes a series of processes such as rolling, wrapping, and twisting before being woven into the fabric on a loom. Characteristics of cocoon. Silk is extremely elastic. It is the smoothest and the finest of all fibers. It can be dyed easily and takes the highest luster. Silk is the strongest natural fiber and can be stretched to almost 25% of its original length. Did you know occupational and health hazard of silk production? Silk producing units are generally small and poorly ventilated sheds. Fumes produced during boiling of the cocoon lead to respiratory diseases. At times, the workers, mostly women, get infected by a fatal blood related disease called anthrax. This disease is caused by bacteria and is also known as Sotter's disease. The constant noise of machines and long working hours lead to headache and back pain. Constant dipping of hands into boiling hot water leads to blisters and secondary infection. Here it is the silk yarn and silk thread. You have seen animal's fiber, its characters, shooty flame, characteristic odor. Sooty flame and characteristic odor. Wool provide warmth, absorb moisture, elastic, dirt, flame and wear, and tear resistance. Here, sheep, goat, camel, and yak's example of wool. And if animal fiber burn, its flame is sooty and characteristic odor. And here silk smooth, shiny and strong, dyed easily, extremely elastic, and its life cycle egg, larva, pupa, adult. Life cycle of moth. Rearing of silk is called sericulture. Thank you, student.